Unleash your ultimate fitness training guide. One of the best things you can do for your health is to exercise regularly. However, incorporating it into your routine and maintaining it may require some resolve and discipline. You can maintain it with the help of several tactics. Regular exercise can have positive effects on your body and well-being that you'll start to notice and feel right away. This video is for you if you're thinking about starting to exercise but are unsure of where to start. Here is everything you need to know about establishing and maintaining a routine. Before moving forward, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future interesting videos. Why work out? Exercise frequently has been found to have a major positive impact on health. Its key advantages include lowering your chance of developing chronic diseases and assisting you in achieving and maintaining a healthy body weight and muscular mass. Additionally, studies have demonstrated that exercise can improve your happiness, mental health, sleep, and even your sex life. That's not all either. You may also benefit from having more energy. In conclusion, exercise is effective and can enhance your quality of life. Common forms of exercise. There are numerous forms of exercise, such as high-intensity interval training. Short bursts of high-intensity activity are repeated, and they are followed by low-intensity exercise or rest intervals. A boot camp. These are timed, intense circuits that incorporate both aerobic and resistance training. Stability or balance. These workouts are made to increase body coordination and muscle strength. Pilates, Tai Chi postures, and core strengthening activities are a few examples. Flexibility. These workouts support muscle recovery, preserve range of motion, and guard against injuries. Yoga or specific muscle stretching exercises are a couple of examples. Aerobic. Any fitness regimen should incorporate some sort of constant exercise as its foundation. Swimming, running, and dancing are a few examples. Strength. Strength and muscle power are improved with these activities. Sprinting, weightlifting, plyometrics, and resistance training are a few examples. Calisthenics. These exercises typically involve exercising vast muscle groups and no gym equipment. They are completed at a moderate aerobic tempo. Lunges, sit-ups, push-ups, and pull-ups are a few examples. The aforementioned exercises can be performed separately or in tandem. The most important thing is to do what feels right to you and to enjoy yourself while doing it. What to do first? Before beginning a new exercise regimen, it's important to keep a few things in mind. 1. Examine your health. Before beginning an exercise program, it's crucial to speak with your doctor and have a physical assessment. For those who are new to demanding and vigorous physical pursuits, this is especially crucial. Any health issues or diseases that could increase your chance of suffering an injury while exercising can be found at an early exam. Additionally, it can assist you in maximizing your workout by assisting you and your personal trainer, should you choose to engage with one, in comprehending your limitations and create an exercise plan tailored to your particular needs. 2. Create a plan and set reasonable objectives. Once you've made the decision to start exercising frequently, try to develop a strategy with reachable objectives and actions. Starting with a plan of simple to carry out stages is one method to do this. When your level of fitness increases, you can then continue to add to it. If your objective is to complete a 5-kilometer run, for instance, you might start by creating a schedule that incorporates shorter runs. Increase the distance until you can run the entire 5 kilometers in a single session once you can complete those short runs. Setting short, attainable goals at the outset will improve your chances of success and keep you motivated along the way. 3. Establish a routine. Maintaining a regular fitness schedule is essential for success. If people frequently practice a fitness regimen and make it a habit, it tends to be simpler for them to keep it up over time. Making a timetable or doing out at the same time each day are additional effective approaches to maintain and extend your routine. For instance, by scheduling a workout directly after work or first thing in the morning every day, you can develop the habit of exercising. It's crucial to pick a time that suits you the best. Simple fitness regimen for 1 week. The 1-week fitness routine listed below is simple to follow, doesn't call for any special equipment, and only takes 30 to 45 minutes every day to complete. You can customize this program to suit your fitness level and desired level of difficulty. Monday, 40 minutes of brisk walking or a moderate jog. Tuesday, rest day. Wednesday, go for a 10-minute brisk walk. Next, finish the circuits below, taking a minute to rest between exercises but not between sets. After, stretch. Circuit numbers 1 through 3 sets of 10 lunges on each leg, 10 push-ups, and 10 sit-ups alternated. Circuit number 2, 3 rounds of 10 chair dips, 10 jumping jacks, and 10 air squats alternated. Thursday, rest day. Friday, a 30-minute bike ride or a jog at a brisk pace. Saturday, rest day. Sunday, spend 40 minutes jogging, running, or walking far. A few tips for beginners. Keep hydrated. It's crucial to consume fluids throughout the day to keep your hydration levels in check. When exercising in hot weather, especially replenishing fluids throughout exercise is crucial for maintaining peak performance. Additionally, drinking water after your workout might aid in your recovery and prepare you for your subsequent training session. 2. Improve your dietary habits. Consume a balanced diet to support your exercise regimen. To maintain a healthy energy level and maximize the benefits of your workout, you must consume foods from all dietary categories. Because they can fuel your muscles before activity, carbs are essential. In order to replace glycogen stores and help your muscles absorb amino acids while recovering from exercise, carbs are also crucial. Protein also promotes muscle growth, heals tissue damage caused by exercise, and enhances muscular recovery. Last but not least, consistent consumption of healthy fats has been found to prolong energy by assisting in the reduction of body fat and preservation of muscle fuel during exercise. 3. Get ready. Before working exercise, you should warm up. By doing this, you can enhance your athletic performance and help prevent injuries. Additionally, it can aid in increasing flexibility and easing pain after exercise. Simple aerobic movements like arm swings, leg kicks, and walking lunges can be used to kick off your workout. Alternately, you might warm up by performing simple variations of the activity you intend to perform. For instance, stroll before running. 4. Recover. Cooling off is essential since it aids in the restoration of your body to normal. Taking a few minutes to cool down will assist return breathing patterns to normal and possibly lessen the likelihood of aching muscles. After an aerobic workout or after doing resistance training, you might want to stretch. Be aware of your body. Be aware of your limitations if daily exercise is something you're not used to. If you experience any pain or discomfort while exercising, stop immediately and take a break. It is not a good idea to push through pain because it can lead to injury. Additionally, keep in mind that a faster and tougher workout may not always be better. You can maintain your habit and get the most out of it by taking your time as you advance through your fitness regimen. How to remain inspired. Having pleasure when exercising is essential for maintaining motivation and developing the habit of exercising. This makes working out less dreaded for you. You can switch up the activities while keeping the program enjoyable for you, just like the example fitness program above. If you can and want to, team sports, hiring a personal trainer, joining a gym, or taking a virtual fitness class like yoga or Pilates are all wonderful suggestions. To help boost motivation, workout with a friend or a group might help you stay accountable and motivated to stick with your workout program. The conclusion: a new workout regimen can be difficult to begin. However, long-term maintenance of a fitness program might be aided by setting realistic targets. You can choose from a wide variety of physical activities. Find a handful that are effective for you and be sure to switch them up every so often. Starting out gently, increasing your level of fitness, and occasionally allowing your body to rest will all assist to reduce the risk of injuries. Actionable measures can help you stay motivated and accomplish your goals. Examples include keeping track of your progress or enrolling in a virtual group class. In order to keep an eye on your health, it's also critical to consume a balanced diet, drink plenty of water, and visit your doctor frequently. So why are you still waiting? Get moving right away. Thanks for watching.